Hey everybody, welcome to another giveaway. So today, before we get on with the giveaway, we're gonna give the prize to one of our winners. So right here is one of our winners. His name is Privonojan. It's a hard name for me to pronounce. Anyways, what he said he wants instead of the battle pass or anything else is go to the item shop and he wants Maverick. So we're gonna go ahead and give him Maverick. So we're gonna go ahead, click on Maverick. We are gonna buy this as a gift, and then we're gonna scroll down all the way to his name. So in just a few seconds, I will show you guys how to sign up for the giveaway. So finally got to the name, and right here, we're just gonna go and continue on. Press X, then square to continue. We're gonna send out the gift. Let's just send out a regular gift and sending it out right now. So with any gifts, you're supposed to get them right away. So that's exactly what he's supposed to get. Let's just go down to play, and if you got your skin, you can go ahead and tell us. And there we go, you put on this skin, perfect. So glad, enjoy it. You can also sign up again. You can sign up as many times as you want for all the giveaways. Now there were several giveaways happening in April, so there's always this once a month giveaway plus a few others that are always coming up in my channel. Anyways, if you would like to participate in these giveaways, you guys can just follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.